In a world where content is king, and you feel lost in an endless sea of competition, there emerges a beacon of hope. Navigating through blinding challenges and formidable foes in the digital realm, a hero is forged from the fire of Knowledge Hub Media. A warrior unlike any other, armed with the intelligence of ages and the power to transform the digital landscape. Behold the hero we've all been waiting for. The SEO Samurai.
Welcome, digital warriors, to our guide here at Knowledge Hub GPT on conquering the digital landscape with SEO Samurai, your ultimate AI assistant for all things SEO. And free to all ChatGPT Plus subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed our little trailer for this unique tool, and we'll go ahead and get started. To start, let's demystify the world of search engine optimization and talk digital prominence. Then we'll get into how to take advantage of this SEO secret weapon, and I'll give you a rundown on how to use it. Over 90% of online journeys begin with a search. Standing out is not just an option, it is truly a necessity. SEO Samurai is a tool that illuminates the path to enhancing your site's visibility, user experience, and driving targeted traffic efficiently. Now, to wield SEO effectively, understanding the inner workings of search engines is crucial. They crawl, index, and rank the countless pages of the internet. SEO Samurai masters these digital libraries, ensuring your content is not just found, but featured. The art of SEO really stands on 3 pillars. Pillar 1, on page. Pillar 2, off page, and pillar 3, technical SEO. From optimizing web pages to earning authoritative backlinks and ensuring your site's technical health, tools like this are what will give you the edge and provide that extra guidance we all need. Creating content that captivates and ranks is an art in itself, and SEO Samurai can help you in that department. As well with keyword research, strategic placement, creating engaging titles and images, as well as crafting content structures that engage and inform, elevating your content's authority and relevance. It is time that you start leveraging artificial intelligence. It can predict trends, automate keyword research, and refine your SEO strategy with precision, offering a competitive edge in the digital arena. So let me take you through a quick rundown on how to utilize this tool. So I want to shift bases over to our SEO Samurai. So here you will see on ChatGPT-4 SEO Samurai. Now all you need to do, as it says here, is provide the keyword information that you're really trying to target here. Just going to type in here all the information that I have to provide to really create some targeted content for this keyword. Just let SEO Samurai do its thing here. So the first thing it's going to do is actually give us some title options. So let's go through these and see what ones we like. Gonna pick one. So once you like your title and you notify SEO Samurai that you're okay to proceed, it's going to provide you a nice outline. just a rundown of what exactly you want your content to say. And then once you approve that outline, it's going to run down and give you the step-by-step each category of that outline. So the first section, introduction. So it's going to write a wonderful introduction here for us. And then the lovely part of this too is it generates images for us. We've actually been able to use DALL-E to create images that's going to be geared towards not only the keyword that you're actually creating this content for, but the content itself. So it actually will provide a curated image for each section. You can opt not to have an image for that section, but I mean, it's an option. Why wouldn't you take advantage of it? So here we have a nice image for this section. Now we're going to move on, let it go ahead and write the next portion of that outline. And we'll go back and take a closer look at these images as well. And then it just wants verification that you like what it's provided. I'm going to go ahead and have another image for this section. And these images that they create, it takes a little time for them to develop, as always, but it really, really saves you time on image development for some of this content, especially when you're trying to create optimized content for like a daily posting, blog posts, articles. It is super helpful and a big time saver. This looks great. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next section, and look at that, it's just streaming out all that good information for us. Perfect, looks good. And then again, it's going to ask us if we like what we see, and we do. This time though, I think I'm just going to opt not for an image, just for now. I'm going to move on to the next section. Look at that wonderful conclusion. Just gonna thank our SEO Samurai here. It looks good. I always like to be polite. We love our SEO Samurai. Now let's go back and take a look at our images. And here you can see it really is a dynamic image, both of them. I mean, quite a bit of elements that really touch base on all the points within those sections. Looks great. Wonderful, SEO Samurai. Alright, so now you kind of have a feel for what it looks like, how to use it. It's very simple. You really are just providing the information that you want it to touch base on, and you don't have to be super detailed. You really just want to make sure that it touches on the keywords that you're looking to use. And it really, you just kind of go through the process with SEO Samurai by just approving as it goes. So you can always go in and ask it to redo a section or an image, anything you like. And you can go through a bunch of titles, and even once it's done, it knows your conversation, so you can always ask for more titles or more title options after it's already produced the rest of the content for you. Give it a go for yourself. Don't just take our word for it. We have included the link down below as well as a QR code right here. I'll give you a moment for an opportunity to scan that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more revolutionary tools and tips from Knowledge Hub GPT, because we have a lot more must-have tools coming your way, and trust us, you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching.